Welcome you in Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. Today's good thought is health is wealth. I repeat, health is wealth. So students, we will start with our math subject. Take out your saffron textbook. We will continue with our chapter number 1, that is numbers up to 20. Okay? Yesterday we have done till here, means in this topic whatever concepts we have learnt, that we have seen. Now at the last we will see evaluation part. First question A, complete the number trail on Bolu's path. Can you see a animal? Yes. And here you can see a way, a path, and between you can see the numbers. Some numbers are missing, okay? So you have to write the missing numbers. Yes. First is given here 1, then after 1 comes 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, after 11, 12 is there already, 13, 14, 15, 16 is there, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Okay? So we have completed the numbers. Come on, write this. First complete the numbers. 2 was missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18 and 19. These all numbers were missing. Done students? Okay, now down. Write the number names of the following. You have to write the number names. Spellings you have to write. Okay? Which is this number? 3. So write the spelling. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Next is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Then 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. And last is 20. Come on, write it. Write the spellings properly. Don't do mistakes. T-H-R-E-E 3, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Write fast. Don't do spelling mistakes. Say and write. Okay? You have to say the spellings. T-H-R-E-E 3 like that, and then you have to write. Done? Okay. Question number B. This is a wish tree. Can you see a tree? It has many numbers. Okay? And this is a wish tree. Color any 2 numbers. What they have asked? Color any 2 numbers. Can you see your numbers, students? Okay. Then what you have to do? You have to color any 2 numbers. Okay. Any 2 numbers you have to color. And which color you have to use while coloring? Blue and green. Suppose you took blue color. Then you have to color any 2 numbers. If suppose like 6, 1 in blue. When green you will take 14 and 10. And that 2 numbers you will write here. Okay. Then now amongst the numbers you wrote above, tick the bigger number and cross out the smaller number in each. Now when you will write these 2 numbers, for bigger number you have to tick and smaller number you have to cross. Okay. This part you can do it afterwards. You can ask your parents also. Next, Guess my number name. What they have asked? Guess my number name. It is puzzle. I am 2-digit number. See students, it is 2-digit number. 2-digit number means, of course, it is after 10. 10 or after 10. Now, again what clue they have given? I am bigger than 11. See, it is bigger than 11. So, bigger than 11, then what comes? 12. Okay. But smaller than 16. 16 से छोटा है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? 16 से अंदर जो नंबर आते हैं वही लेना पड़ेगा. ओके, देन आई विल राइट 13, 14, 15 and 16. If 1 is added to me, I become 15. Who am I? See, अगर इन नंबर में से उसमें अगर हमने 1 को ऐड किया तो वो कितने बन जाते हैं? 15 बन जाते हैं. कितने? 15. So let us see in which number if you will add 1 it become 15. If in 12 you will add 1 it becomes 13. 13 में अगर 1 को ऐड किया तो 14 होते हैं. 14 में अगर 1 को ऐड किया तो कितने होते हैं? 15. So the number is 15. Sorry, 14. Got it? So who am I? The number is 14. So you can write here 14. And number name also you can write FOURTEEN. Okay, write it. Done. Next, circle the numbers that are greater than 15 in red and the numbers smaller than 13 in green. What they have asked? The numbers that are greater than 15. जो 15 से बड़े numbers है उसे हमें क्या करना है? रेड कलर से सर्कल करना है. और जो 13 से स्मॉलर है उसको ग्रीन से करना है. ओके, दिस यू विल डू आफ्टरवर्ड्स. सो दिस विल बी फॉर होमवर्क. दिस टू. Come on, write there HW so that you will come to know. Write it fast. Done? Okay. So, we have completed with our chapter number 1. All the concepts are clear, students? Okay. Now students, I will show you something and I will ask you some questions. You have to answer. Okay. Now students, what can you see in my hand? Straw. How many? 1. Okay. Now, one more I will take. It became 2. One more I will take. 3. Okay. Now, total there are 3 straws. Okay. In one hand. Now here, 1 is there. One more I will take. 2. One more. 3. One more. 4. Okay. So, these 3 straws in one hand and 4 straws in another hand. Okay. 3 and 4. Now students, see what I will do. I will put this together. What I will do? I will put this together. Okay. Now I have done this. Now students, let us count how many total I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many straws? 7. Okay. In one hand it was 3. In another hand it was 4. And what I did after that? I put them together. Then total I got 7. What I got? 7. So, this is called, what it is called? Addition. What it is called? Addition. Okay. दो अलग अलग नंबर्स को जब हम कंबाइन करते हैं या फिर टुगेदर ये करते हैं, मिक्स करते हैं, तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? एडिशन. क्या बोलते हैं? एडिशन. ओके. सो One more example. See, now in one hand I will show you 4 fingers. Okay, these are 4 fingers, and in another 4 fingers. Okay, this 4 and this 4 together. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8. Okay, so what I did here? 2 numbers I combined together and total I have got. So this is called addition. What it is called? Addition. Got it, students? Now look in your textbook. Addition up to 20. Just now I have shown you the example. So that was the addition. So now in this chapter we are going to see the addition up to 20 numbers. First we will do the warm up. Count these things in your school bag. Okay. Now this you can do at home. These all things whichever you can see, like pencil, rubber, eraser, tiffin box, book, crayon, sharpener, all these things you have to count and you have to write that number in the box. Okay. Now what are the objectives? What we are going to learn in this chapter? See, introduction to addition, symbol, addition using a number strip, addition by counting forward, vertical addition, horizontal addition, adding 3 one-digit numbers, story sums, properties of addition. These all we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, addition means what? Just now only I have explained you. Addition means 2 numbers when we put together or combine together, that is called addition. Okay. Now I have shown you on straws and fingers. Now we will see about the numbers. Okay. Now see, if 2 is there and 3 is there, 2 and 3. Okay. Now I have to put these 2 numbers together. Okay. 2 numbers together I have to put. Then what I have to do? I have to do addition. So addition symbol is this. Okay. What is the addition symbol? This. And we called as this plus. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्लस. ये क्या है? एडिशन का सिंबल है. ओके. और इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्लस बोलते हैं. तो जब भी ये सिंबल आएगा इसका मतलब है ऐड करना. क्या करना? ऐड करना. दोनों नंबर को कंबाइन या फिर ऐड करना. ओके. नाउ दिस 2 plus 3. How you will read? 2 plus 3. How much you will get, students? Equal to, I will make here and answer I will write here. Okay. You can do on the fingers. See. 2 fingers. First which number is there? 2. So 2 fingers and next is 3. 3. Together let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So answer you got 5. Okay. In this way you have to do. See on the next page. My way ahead. Azhar, Fabian, Manjeet and Revati are at the beach. Can you see a beach? Yes. And all the children they are playing. Now what they have asked to do? Count and write how many of the following things are there. Below that they have shown the picture. So you have to count and write how much it is. Okay. In first picture what you can see? Crabs. Now tell me, students, in this picture how many crabs you can found? Come on, see. How many crabs are there? Tell me the number. Count it properly. How many? Yes, 3 are there. How many? 3. So write here 3. Next, how many boats you can see? See the picture of boat and see that in that picture how many boats you can see? I can found only 1, 2. So 2 boats. Okay, and these how many you can find? 1, 2, 3, 4. And ball you can see only 1. Okay, write it. Write down fast. Finish. Crabs 3, boats 2, then 4 and 1. Done? Okay. Now there is one video. Just a minute.
Let us learn how to add. I'm making a bracelet for my friend. First, I put 3 beads in the bracelet. Now I put 2 more beads in the bracelet. 3 and 2 make 5. That means that there are 5 beads in the bracelet. I want to make another bracelet. Here are 4 beads. I'm putting 2 more beads. How many beads are there in the bracelet now? To find out, add the total number of beads. Addition means combining 2 or more things together and finding how many in all. 4 and 2 makes 6. This is the symbol for addition. We read this symbol as plus. We can write the addition sums as 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6.
Got it, students? One more time.
Let us learn how to add. I'm making a bracelet for my friend. First, I put 3 beads in the bracelet. Now I put 2 more beads in the bracelet. 3 and 2 make 5. That means that there are 5 beads in the bracelet. I want to make another bracelet. Here are 4 beads. I'm putting 2 more beads. How many beads are there in the bracelet now? To find out, add the total number of beads. Addition means combining 2 or more things together and finding how many in all. 4 and 2 makes 6. This is the symbol for addition. We read this symbol as plus. We can write the addition sums as 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6.
Got it, students? Understood what is addition? Okay. So, see, addition means combining 2 or more things together and finding how many in all. Addition यानी 2 numbers या फिर 2 चीज़ों को combine करना और total फिर कितने हैं वो find out करना, उसे बोलते हैं addition. For example, when 3 and 2 are combined or added, it is equal to 5, and 5 is called the sum or total of 3 and 2 put together. See, the symbol used for addition is plus. Okay, what it is called? Plus. We read this symbol as plus. Now 3 beads, okay, and here how many you can see? 2. So 3 and 2 together is equal to 5. 3 and 2, if you will put together, if you will combine together, you will get 5. Here when we put 3 and 2 together, we get 5. In other words, when we add 3 and 2, we get 5 as the sum. देखो, जब दो नंबर्स को हम कंबाइन करते हैं तो आंसर हमें जो मिलता है उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? सम बोलेंगे. क्या बोलेंगे? सम. ओके, वी राइट दिस एज 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Got it, students? Turn the page. Can you see this? Yeah. Now try this. Okay. Now how many of them you can see here? 2. So write here number 2. First pay attention, afterwards you can write. Now how many here you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now this 2 and 4, if together we will see, how many you can find out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? So 2, how you will read? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay? Or 2 and 4 makes 6. Okay? And what is this 6? Yes, it is sum. What it is called? Sum. Understood? Next, how many flowers you can see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. So write here 5. 1, 2, 3. Now this 5 and 3 together, if I will put, how many flowers I will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will get 8. Okay. How you can read? 5 and 3 makes 8. Or else 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay. Next. How many bangles you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 2. So total 4 bangles plus 2 bangles makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bangles. Okay, write this. Okay, understood? 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. What is this symbol, students? What we can read this? How you will read? Plus, plus, plus. Okay. And this answer, when you will write your answer, what it is? Sum. Here what is the sum of 2 and 4? 6. 5 and 3? 8. 4, 2, 4 plus 2, 6 is the sum. Got it? Write that fast. So students, in this period we have learned new chapter, started with new chapter, that is chapter number 2, addition up to 20. What we have learned today? We have learned how to add. What is addition? Addition means put two numbers together and find out the total. Okay, symbol for addition also we have seen that what it is called? Plus. Okay, and when you will add two numbers, the answer which we get, that is called sum. Remaining part of this we will see in the next period. Thank you.